So, time to put something new on the 2020 Ford Escape here. Love this car. I love this view here. I think it comes only on the titanium. Right when you start it up, the little screen. So that's what we're going to be working on here today. My wife's out hanging out with her sister, so get to hang out with the car, do some cool stuff with it. Folks, so I'm here to show you guys how to put a screen protector on a 2020 Ford Escape. This happens to be the titanium version, but the screen's the same for all the new 2020 Ford Escapes. And if you're anything like me, you like to put a screen protector on all your devices. Car is no excuse. I mean, you use that screen all the time, right? So, and they happen to have a glass that fits this interesting shape that we have here. Can I turn this around? So this is the shape of the infotainment screen. This is my wife's actually daily driver, but I use it. She lets me use it from time to time. But yeah, so this bad boy gets a lot of use. So this is what I got off of Amazon. It seemed like the best price. No sponsorship or anything. It just seemed like the best price, and I got it because it's 9H hardness. No bubbles. It feels just like the original, and tempered glass is meaning it's going to be easier to put on. It's going to probably last longer, and yeah, so this is just a video on how to install that into your 2020 Ford Escape. So let's jump into it. So I already opened it, that's why the seal is already broken. But get some nifty little instructions here. Just a generic instructions. So put that there. And comes with a little install toolkit like you would find when you put a new screen on your cell phone. And here's the glass onto here so that we can stop seeing all these smudgies and protect the screen here. Here's the glass design here. It fits that same shape. Yep, it does. Let's break this bad boy open here. And get this open. As you can see, it's a nice rainy day. Alright, so we'll use this bad boy to clean up here. You know what, I'm going to turn the... Alright. Alright, that looks good there. Covers the whole screen. Does it come with a card? And that was the alcohol, but I used hand sanitizer. This is Adam's hand sanitizer. Comes with a cool little trigger spray. I got the little bit bigger size because it's the one that comes with the spray. So good there. And that's everything here. As you can see, it's already working. Works just fine. Looks great. Covers the whole screen nicely. Make sure I got all the way around. Man, no bubbles. Because because it's the glass, so it doesn't bubble up or anything. And now that screen is protected, and don't have to worry about bad fingerprints on there. I'll get this guy off of here. Should just come right off. All right, cool. All right, clean that off here. All right, looks great. Screen is protected. Alright folks, thanks so much for watching my video. I hope that was entertaining. Sorry, it was kind of monotone while I was putting it on. Just got a lot of concentration to make sure I fit the shape correctly. But yeah, thanks so much, and hope that helps out. Alright, take care.